Hello my dear student. Today I am talking about a new topic in mathematics class 10, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. The first point is, what is the meaning of coordinate geometry? That is, if you split this whole topic, that is co plus ordinate plus geometry is equal to coordinate geometry. Co, that means common, ordinate means x-axis and y-axis. That means those points which are common on x-axis and y-axis, that is known as coordinate, and the geometry of this shape which is located between the common points on x-axis and y-axis, that is known as coordinate geometry. So we also know that x-axis, that means abscissa, y-axis, that means ordinate. Now we are discussing about some special formulas which are used in class 10 mathematics in coordinate geometry. That is, one is distance formula. Generally, the distance formula is used in measure the distance between the 2 points, and these two coordinates of this the coordinate of these 2 points are known. That means if point A and point E located like this, and the coordinate of point A will be x1 and y1, and the coordinate of point B will be x2 and y2, then the distance between the AB will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square of x2 minus x1 plus whole square of y2 minus y1 under root. And next, if we find the distance from the origin, like that, origin to that point which we know the coordinate of that point, that is x and y, and that is the origin, and the coordinate of origin will be 0 and 0. So the distance between the OA, that is the distance from origin to that point, will be x square plus y square. So that is the formula of distance from origin. Now these coordinates, if we put these values in this formula, then we find the same result which we found here. Okay, now see some examples. Before the example, we have one more important concept, that is the collinear concept of collinear. That means if 3 points located like this, the coordinate of 3 points x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, then if we measure the distance between all these 2 points A, B, B, C and AC, then the result will be like this: AB plus BC is equal to AC. If we fulfill this, these conditions, then we say that all these points, point A, point B and point C, are collinear. Okay. Next one is concept of property of geometry. Property of geometry which are used in this coordinate. That means if different points different points, if we joining all these points, then form a geometry shape that like that for parallelogram, different types of parallelogram, that is rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, but not rectangle. So rectangle, that means these AC and BD are diagonals. So property of rectangle in coordinate geometry is all the opposite sides are equal, like this. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD and AC is equal to BD. Okay. Next, in a square, these are diagonal, AC and BD are diagonals of this square. So all the sides are equal with diagonals. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to DA. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and AC is equal to BD is equal to AC is equal to BD. Next one is rhombus. Rhombus same as like a square, but the diagonals of rhombus are not equal. In this rhombus, AB, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to DA, but diagonals AC not equal to BD. Same like that parallelogram, but not a rectangle. Same here, all the opposite sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to DA, but AC not equal to BD. So all here, all the topics, all the main points of this basics of coordinate geometry is finished, but some concept which are based on the one thing is most important, that is area of different types of geometry, that is area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Same area of square, side square, area of triangle 1/2 into base into height. Triangle like that, like this, and this is ABC. This is a triangle, and BD is the height of this triangle. BD is the height of this triangle, and this one AD is the base. Okay. So one more thing is area of equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC equal to CA. So area √3/4 into side square, and all these are side. Okay. So now I think all the basics topics of coordinate geometry are covered here, and some important questions which are based on these topics. I think no doubt if you attempt all the questions related to this topic, then I think no doubt in this topic, but one more thing, the concept of equidistance. Concept of equidistant. If like that 3 point placed in a line A, B, C, and this point is x and y, A is x1, y1, x2, y2, then find the coordinate of xy, and the point P is placed like that, the distance from point A and the distance from point C both are equal. That means distance from point A to point B and the distance from point B to point C both are equal. So here use the concept AB square is equal to BC square. That means first of all determine the distance between the AB and the distance between the BC. One more thing, the very important question based on the coordinate geometry in basics topic, area of circle. So we know the concept how to find the area of circle. If any point located on the circumference of the circle, then how to find the radius of the circle and how to find the area of the circle. Then we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, and we know that it is the center of the circle, and that is the radius of the circle. The distance from the center of the circle to the point A, that is represent the radius of the circle. Okay, thank you very much.
इसको तो और काटना पड़ेगा।